This is my presentation on participatory cultures and how they affect children and education. So first, let's talk about what is a participatory culture. By definition, a participatory culture is defined as a culture in which artistic expression and civic engagement are valued and are oriented towards creating and sharing. Some common characteristics of a participatory culture are that there are low barriers to artistic expression and civic engagement, strong support for creating and sharing creations, some type of informal mentorship whereby experienced participants pass along their knowledge, and a place where members believe their contributions matter and feel some degree of social connection with one another. A quote from one of our assigned videos by Henry Jenkins reads, "These interest-driven networks are preparing the way for them to think of themselves as citizens in a new way, to mobilize the skills they developed as contributing to online communities and participatory cultures." Some benefits of a participatory culture in education are that they provide more opportunities for peer-to-peer learning, a changed attitude toward intellectual property, diversification of cultural expression, development of more valuable skills for the workplace, and empowered conception of citizenship. Some of the skills developed in a participatory culture are multitasking, judgment, distributed cognition, collective intelligence, and transmedia navigation. Multitasking is the ability to scan one's environment and shift focus as needed to salient details. Judgment is the ability to look at info and evaluate reliability and credibility of different sources. Distributed cognition is the ability to interact meaningfully with tools that expand mental capacities. Collective intelligence is the ability to pool knowledge and compare notes with others towards common goals, and transmedia navigation is the ability to follow the flow of stories and info across multiple modalities. All of these skills are very important for navigating educational systems. So my reaction to participatory cultures and why I believe they're important for students are that they provide collaboration. It gives students a chance to learn and share ideas with others. Number 2 is they allow for expression. So it provides a platform to explore personal identities and interests. And number 3, it provides social connection. It fills the gap between online education and in-person connection. We found this to be extremely important, especially during COVID when everything was online with Zoom. And then number 4 is they provide for skill development. Technology skills are becoming more important online, and so participation gives students practice with these technologies. My personal experiences with participatory cultures are through the apps Canvas, Zoom, TikTok, and Instagram. So TikTok has helped me connect with people who share similar interests with me because you are able to post basically anything on the app. And then Canvas discussion boards have helped me share my ideas and learn from my peers. Even though they were assigned by professors and teachers during the pandemic, I feel like these discussion boards helped me connect with my classmates through an online forum. Zoom provided a platform to see each other and speak to each other, so this was imperative during COVID when we weren't able to meet in person. And then Instagram allows me to keep my friends and family up to date on my life, even when we're living in different states and can't see each other. And then these are the resources that I used for my pictures and my information, and that is it. Thank you.